Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to install a switch on the RV. Inside of the RV, we have several lights here. Push button lights, LED, lights up. But sometimes this light is too bright. I want get dim. So I install this little switch here next to the lights. Press on, press off. Okay, for the sleeping area. Okay. And also if you hold the button, touch, lights up, dim, dim, dimmer. Okay, this way is easier to adjust the light of the LED lights. Okay, today I'm going to install another dimmer to this lights here on top of the seating area. I'll put the lights, drill a hole from here, insert the light switch, and then connect the 4 wires to the lights. Now I'm going to remove the lights, remove the cover. This is the LED lights. Turn it off. Has 2 or 3 screws here. Take it off. Yeah, here is the light cables. I have to connect there. I have disconnect from there and then connect this switch in. Okay. Connect the cable here. Lights up, touch, go dimmer, go off, go on, go bright, 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 and then keep pushing, go dimmer, dimmer. Okay, the connection is good. So next step, I'm going to drill a hole here and put the switch in there, and then should be fine. Okay. After marking the center of here, start drilling the holes. Be careful. Okay. Okay, almost there. Because this size close to 3 1/4, but it's bigger than 1/2 inch, so we have to slowly grind it up to the size. Okay. Yeah, it's fitting. Okay, clean the edge. Make it clean and push forward. Okay. Four wires here. Use the wire nuts. Crank it. Make sure that it's connected. All the three wires connected, and push it in. Oh. Okay. Crank. Okay. It's connected. Now we can connect here. Now I connect the wires. It's working. Touch on, touch. Okay. Slowly, bright, dimmer. Okay. Now it's